Hi guys, I'm here again, back with another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some face masks with the whole situation with the virus now. We should be all wearing a mask when going outside, to the grocery store, pharmacy, doctor, whatever it is that they need to go. I'm just gonna show you guys how to make an easy at-home mask. I have these piece of cloth. I was just looking around the house and see what I have. I have this piece of cloth. I folded it in half like this. Folded it in half, and I'll show you guys what I will do with this. I'm also gonna use this little towel I have here because my husband wants me to make a mask for him that has this on. So I will figure it out and see how I can make it work. So I'll show you that. And I'm also gonna use this black shirt that I have. It should be cotton. They advise to use cotton material for the mask, so I'm gonna use this shirt right here to make some as well and see what I can work with. Okay, so let's get to it. So I have here, like I said, that one piece of cloth we're gonna use for the no sewing one. You just need like a piece of cloth that's square. We're gonna fold it in half. Actually no, we're gonna fold it halfway like this. We're gonna meet the other end like this, and I'm gonna use these elastic hair bands. It's for your hair. These elastic ones we're gonna use, and we're just gonna put them through like this. And we're gonna do the same on the other side like this. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and tuck it in, tucking the corners in the middle part like that. And just go ahead and do that. And we're gonna do it again like that. Here, gonna just make it flat. If you want, you can go ahead and glue it. I have this glue. I do a lot of arts and crafts and stuff, so I have it at home. But you can, use the E600 glue. It works for cloth and a lot of things, so I like to use it. So you can go ahead and glue it if you want. If this is a mask that you're gonna be using a lot, or you can go ahead and safety pin it with a pin, or you can go ahead and do a little stitch with like your hand and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and safety pin it for my purpose. I don't feel like this is gonna stay on together, so I'm just gonna go ahead and safety pin it. Shouldn't be a big deal, just for secure mask. And we have a mask. Maybe a little chunky when we put it on, but at least we're protected. I'll put it on for you. And we have our mask. That's number one. Well, that was that mask with no sewing or anything. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the mask with elastic. I had these elastic laying around in the house. I found it by Lock in the little sewing kit that I have. I know that most of you might not have these at home, but you can go ahead and find something in your house that has it, like sweatpants, leggings, or anything that you don't like that has elastic, and you can cut it all and use it. So I'm gonna use the elastic on that. For this one, I'm gonna use this tiny towel I have with the bears. My husband wants to use this little bear in his face like this, so I'm gonna do that for him. So I measured with this measuring tape that I have, but you don't have to use it. You can use a ruler or anything, and I'm gonna cut like 7 inches length, and width I'm gonna make it like 4 inches, 4.5 or 5, as long as it's kind of tight in your face, because it should protect you from anything getting inside. So it should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna give some space for like a sewing. I'm just gonna cut right here. I'm gonna make a little stitch though. I just want to make a little stitch on it like that. big. I have a mask that I have in here for reference, and like I told you, I measured it and it was like 7 inches long, and for the width it was like 4 inches, but I'm gonna do it 4.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this here, and I'm leaving it like this, and you'll see why I'm leaving it kind of big and long, but I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna cut from here. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. So I'm gonna fold a bit like this, and you can go ahead and use your A6000 glue, or you can sew. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how you can sew this by hand sewing. We're gonna start from the back, like where our face will be. I'm gonna go ahead and start like this. And then we're gonna start again like this. So if you guys can see what I'm doing, I'm just putting in from the back end like a zigzag kind of motion. Just gonna go ahead while you fold a little bit of towel. You can tell right there. I'm saying towel, but you can use any piece of cloth. I'm using a little towel because that's what my husband wants us to design. And then once you pull, you can pull, and the strip will come through, and it will look like this. And it will look like this from the front. Okay, so we're just gonna continue doing all of that. So once we're ready for us to stop sewing, we're gonna go ahead and make a loop. So we're gonna go ahead and go and put our needle through a little bit. And once we have this hole right here, we can loop with the string. We're gonna make a loop in there. I'm gonna make it again and again. And we're gonna let go of it until it's tight. And that's gonna make a knot, and it's not gonna allow the sewing that you made to go back. That's that. You can do it multiple times. I'm gonna do it one more time just so it's secure. Like that. And then I'm gonna cut. So this is not sewn, it's not gonna come out from any end, it's very secure. It looks like that. So you can do that for all corners like that. And I'm going to go ahead and measure some of the elastic that I have so that his ears can go through, but I'm also gonna make it like a fan. So if you've noticed, the actual masks that medical professionals wear and all that, they have a little fold, so I'm gonna try to do that, and I'm gonna secure it with a safety pin. Go ahead and safety pin it like that on both sides. So we safety pin it. You can do it multiple times. We're gonna do it again. Just have to do it twice. So you can go ahead and iron it so it stays in place. I don't want to, so I'm not gonna, but you can if you like. So now it looks like this from the back, it looks like this from the front. I know the red doesn't show, but once he opens it to wear it, it will look like that. I'm going to cut elastic. I'm gonna measure right now. Not too much, but we don't want to leave it too loose and also not too tight or your ears will hurt. I'm gonna measure like 7 inches. 7 inches. I'm gonna place them like this so they stay like that. As you can tell, I'm putting it on so they stay like this so that this goes behind the ear. Okay. So I can go ahead and stitch this. So now I have my little elastic like this. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and just sew those little things together. So you do the same on the other side. So we have a mask. I finished the mask. It looks cool. So guys, I decided to do the same thing with the shirt that I had, and I did the same thing as the blue one. My husband asked me to twist this for him actually because it was hurting his ear if he was just like this. He's just a baby. So I did that. So this is his. And this is mine. We'll go ahead and make some for my mom and dad as well. But look how nice these are. And this one matches my scarf perfectly. It goes down on my nose. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me on my social media. You can also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that it will notify you every time that I post a video. Thank you guys.